Greetings from Havana, Cuba. It's Eric Horwitz, American millionaire, helping entrepreneurs scale their businesses. I've scaled my business to 8 figures. It takes me 8 hours a month. And our leadership team retreat is happening here in Cuba. That's Alex, our guy. Let's check out the video. We got the music going. It's gonna be a 6-day, 5-night adventure in Cuba. Meeting with our team here in person. We are dreaming of what motivates us. On the whiteboard behind us, we captured our previous goal of 12 million all the way to our next goal of 24 and all the amazing things that we will get to experience on the road there. Right now we're thinking, what motivates you? What do you want to learn about? How do you want to grow? How can you win and have the whole company win along the way? Win-win.
23 was 257,000. It was Valverde USD. And they thought that's insane, that's so much money. We're so excited about that contract.
We do have 249 employees in California.
Smoking a Cuban in Cuba. LIFT Enrichment after hours.
New challenges, regardless of the crazy ideas and changes that Eric and I have all the time. You always take things well.
Day 1 is complete. All our departments did PowerPoint presentations. We planned the next 5 years. Alex, what do you think of day 1 so far? Leadership
Day 1 was
retreat.
excellent. We really got to know each other, really got in depth.
Slava,
Really helpful.
organizer.
Together.
Informative.
Lots of fun.
How is it seeing everybody in person?
It's been great.
Interesting. Strange.
Strange, exciting,
Happy.
interesting. It's so fun. It's a little more relaxed, you know? We are rolling in a car from what, the 1970s. We got our other team over there. Man, if something happens to us, LIFT Enrichment goes down. Not that it will, but this is like the core team right here. And yeah, we're navigating Cuba. It's an adventure for sure. There's the rest of the team, chilling in the blue convertible. Going to the rooftop. Broken Spanish is working. Up we go. Little appetizers, some shrimps, a ceviche, and some croquetas.
I didn't agree
Cuban
with
food.
their paradigm.
It's all fish. I thought you chose that on purpose. This looks beautiful. It's a ceviche. Shrimp ceviche bite. Here we go.
The one that I have.
Very refreshing. This is a croquetas with fish.
I forgot my outfit now.
It's a little suyu. It's creamy. Very good. The pasta alla sepia with shrimp, the black squidding pasta, some tuna, and some delicious looking salmon bowls. Seafood heaven. Tuna. Apple crumble. Passion fruit cheesecake. Pistachio. All right, dessert time. I love a good like crumble with vanilla ice cream. Passion fruit cheesecake. It's light. It's very light. That's a nice cheesecake. Some chamomile.
Oh, you have a spoon.
It's good. We are off to a cigar tour, Partagas. So we just went on a cigar tour of Partagas, which is a popular brand. They also make Montecristo, Cohiba, and it's a 4-story building. The building produces 12,000 cigars a day. Cigars are made with 4 leaves that are made in about 2 to 4 minutes wrapped up, and then squeezed for 30 minutes, and then wrapped up again. It's a lot of work. And the workers here make about $2 a day. They're encouraged to make 80 to 150 cigars a day, and they get an 8-hour shift, 15 minutes break, 30-minute lunch, 50 minutes, 5 days a week for, $1 to $2 a day. So we just did a tour, and they work hard, you know? If life seems hard for you, just think of these guys. We could not take any pictures or videos, but it was a fascinating tour, and now we're gonna learn how to smoke a cigar the authentic way. And again, this factory makes Partagas and multiple other brands. Cigar,
one is
coffee,
A1.
rum, Cuba. And world record holder of longest cigar creator, learning how to smoke.
There's the taste of the smoke, and then for some seconds later, you just open your mouth slightly.
Day 4, right, in Cuba? And we are off to our cooking class because we like to teach cooking and we like to learn cooking. This is their farmers market. We are on a cooking class tour. We're about to make some authentic Cuban dishes at a cooking class taught by a local. We got the whole team here. Emily in accounts, Noel, HR, Slava president, Alex sales, and myself CEO. This is their first cooking class, which is funny because we teach cooking classes. But it's a great way to see a country. I love to take a cooking class in a new country and learn. And I ask a ton of questions and chop all my food. This is Slava, our president. Are you excited for your first cooking class?
Very much.
Yeah. It's pretty much identical to Whole Foods, as you can see. Where's my kombucha? Alright, I'm chopping the plantain. Plantains grow here year-round. And we got a lot of cooking going on over here. Some black beans, some rice, and beef. It's gonna be a feast. We chopped all the produce, as you can see over here. And here we're doing some cooking, sauteing the beans and garlic and onion and peppers. And we're gonna make a bunch of yummy foods, and everyone's working together, having fun and sweltering.
Genuinely happy to be part of this team with everyone at LIFT Enrichment.
Noah, how you feeling? Having a good time?
Good. It's been a wonderful experience.
Fantastic, loving it.
Slava, are you enjoying it?
A lot of fun.
Good times. So our first course is a kind of a black bean sauce with plantains. What's the reviews? What do you think?
Good, really good. We worked so hard to make it.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the first course, plantains fried crispy with a kind of a black bean spread. That's delightful. The sauce is really creamy, flavorful, and those crispy plantains, you can tell these were just fried right now, right? Wow. How did they get it so thin, like with the mandolin? Because I was chopping into chunks, but yeah. So we got the mashed plantains, the shredded beef, salad, this delicious black bean stew, and arroz. Slava, what do you think of the lunch?
Looks good.
Here's our beautiful plate. Let's trying the shredded beef. Oh, it got better when I tried it. Softer, juicier, white and black beans. Very nice, rice and beans. This is mashed plantain. I think of more sweetness, but no. It's very good. Even the salad is very light and refreshing. Definitely one of the best meals of the trip because we made it, obviously. It's like a crispy honey French toast. Last day of the trip, it's Saturday. It's our day off. What do? Cigar, Catan, coffee. Best Saturday ever. And we're playing. Whoever wins gets a Rolex. Just kidding.
Promise.